What if your next anti-bullying session didn't feel like another assembly? Our creative anti-bullying workshops use drama, story, and social theatre to help young people recognize bullying, practice safe responses, and build a kinder school culture. Students don't just sit and listen, they are up on their feet, exploring real-life situations, testing strategies, and seeing the impact of their choices in a safe, facilitated space. Workshops can support anti-bullying week, transitions, targeted groups, or whole year programs, and they connect with key learning around relationships, mental health, and online safety. We bring years of experience, clear structure, and flexible formats to fit your timetable. If you're looking for something more than a one-off talk, and you want practical tools your students can actually use, get in touch about creative anti-bullying workshops for your school.